Good morning, Nick. This is Sam Limo with 5Starford. You inquired about this 2023 Ford F150 Tremor. As you can see, this vehicle is here. Beautiful looking truck. I'm gonna give you a quick video of the exterior and the interior. This is Tremor package. Some wheels. Already got the bed line on it. Got a power lift gate. Got a mat in there. See the Tremor running boards. See the hood on this truck. Alright, and we're gonna move and look at the interior of this truck. See, you got the cords to access the door. You can see the Tremor interior. We do have a twin panel moonroof. Power adjustable steering wheel. We have pedal adjuster. We have the big screen. 4-wheel drive. And the Pro package. We do have heated and cooling seats. We have heated steering wheel. You can see 350 right there. You can fold that down. You can see right there. So, and then you do have home link right there. This truck only has 9,000 miles, 9,979 to be exact. It could be a no stereo. We do have power 4 meters, home link. We do have programmable seats up to 3 options. So you get heated seats, power sliding window. And it got very interesting floor mats. You can see this type of floor mats. Very nice floor mats. It's the same thing right here on the front. You can see the type of floor mats it has. Power seating. Alright, this is Sam Limo at 5Starford and I'm ready to show you this truck. You can give me a call back. Phone number is 817-849-3275. I look forward to assisting you buying a new truck. Thank you.